Okay, so here I have an example where I have a sector of a circle, and I need to find the area of the sector. And it's saying that if AOB is 52 degrees, which is this angle right here, and the radius of the circle is 7 inches, so you could either say the distance of OB or OA would be 7 inches. What is the area of the shaded sector? So the first thing I need to do is find the area of the entire circle. And the area of the entire circle is pi times radius squared. It already gave us the radius in the problem. The radius is 7 inches. So all I have to do is plug 7 in to r. Like that. And then I have to square 7. If you take 7 squared, you get 49. So the area of this circle would be pi times 49, but most commonly it's written as 49 pi. Oh. Okay. Now that I've got the area of the entire circle, I want to set up a ratio so that I just find the area of a chunk of the circle. So this represents all of the circle, but I'm going to find the area of just a piece of it. So we're going to set up a ratio. So we're going to have a fraction set equal to a fraction, and I like to put my the degrees of the entire circle on the bottom. So the entire circle is 360 degrees, and the entire area is 49 pi. Notice how I've paired those together. The entire area of the circle, the entire degrees of the circle. And I'm going to set that in a proportion with the area that I want to find. Notice I've got the areas across from each other, and then the degrees need to be across from each other, but I don't want to find the area of a circle that's 360 degrees. That would be an entire circle, and I already have the area of that. I want the area of just the sector, which is 52 degrees. So I'm going to put 52 down here. And then we cross multiply. So 360 times x is 360x equals 49 times 52, which is 2,548 pi. Then I divide both sides by 360. That's going to leave me with x equals, divide by 360, and I get a decimal that's 70, or 7.0777 repeating. And if I want to turn that into a fraction, all I have to do is hit, I'll show you how to do this here. All I have to do is hit the math key, which is right here. I don't know if you can see my finger here. The math key, and it'll bring up a menu. And the very first option is to turn it into a fraction, FRIC. So I'm going to, I call it the frak key, enter, and then hit enter one more time, and it gives us the fraction of 637 over 90. Okay, so 637 over 90 pi. And we got to make sure we put our units in here. This is in inches, so the area is going to be in inches squared. I should have written this up here on this area. This is also 49 pi inches squared. Okay, so there's how you find the area of a sector.